shopping Mumbai. Hey guys, welcome to Tanvi K Vlogs, and as you can see I have brought you guys outdoors today. So we are on Linking Road. Wherever you say Linking Road Bandra, this is what you mean, which is famous for street shopping. So 2nd of August, all the shops are allowed to stay open till 10 p.m. in the night. And I was just curious to know how comfortable are people doing street shopping right after the announcement that 2nd August से 10 बजे तक दुकानें खुली रहेंगी. So I want to see what the shopkeepers have to say, what the shoppers have to say, and I want to show it to you guys. So make sure you keep watching, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and make sure you continue watching till the end.
रिस्पॉन्स अभी मतलब पहले के जैसा नहीं है जैसे पहले होता था. लॉकडाउन के बाद से जब से मार्केट खुल रही है, बीच में बंद हो रही खुल रही है, तब से मतलब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. पब्लिक है लेकिन अभी उतना पैसा पब्लिक के पास नहीं है. पब्लिक खुद बताती है.
The shops are just set up the way they used to be, and there's nothing much different except for people wearing masks and walking around. People are drinking, eating all comfortably. It looks pretty cool. And it just looks very positive that people are really getting back to the groove, but I'm also concerned at the same time.
4 बजे के बाद पब्लिक ही नहीं दिख रही है. इधर 100 रुपीज़ का है, जहाँ शोरूम में 300 रुपये का बिक रहा है. यहाँ
हाँ, ये शोरूम में 300 का आता है. Guys, these are exactly the designs that I have seen on the online shopping apps, which were like costing me 275, 300 rupees. And I really love this coffee bean design. So it's coming with this pendant, like it's a set of 2 for 100 rupees. Like dying with heat out here, but the energy of these guys is just like pepping me up. Whatever I feel is like totally worth it. What I'm liking on the street, I'm showing it to you guys. I think I just showed you the jewelry piece. Like in front of Kodal, you will find the shop which is called Zara Collections. And you see this dress. I think this was the striking one that I saw on the road. It's just for 500 rupees. Okay, the sleeves are like a little lazy. It's something more like a kaftan, but it actually comes down to a dhoti style. It's well stitched. It's not like bad quality. All the chicken curry work kurtas are not pure georgette or chiffon, but they're decent. The work is neat. Lucknowi kurtas are starting 400 bucks, and I really like the collection. But some of them that I checked online, I can see them right here. I think it's an advantage when you can actually personally check something out. Kamal Footwear is where I am at right now. They have an Insta page. What really caught my eye are the Kolhapuris, because my love for Kolhapuris is like infinite. But check this out. I really like this. I'm gonna pick it up for 150 rupees. Let's see what they're quoting. So guys, I have liked this one white. It looks ultra pretty. I'm getting it for 150 bucks, and this. I'm kind of contemplating, but I think for monsoons, this is what I need more or less. This is more ethnic, and this is going to be a little more Indo-Western, I believe. These chappals, I already told you the price, and you're going to get an additional 30% discount if you have watched this video and if you show this video here at Kamal Footwear. It is shop number 3. They're totally worth it. I had a walk in it. They're like really comfortable. I really liked this suit because it's like, I touched it, the fabric is like really nice. And these are the bottoms. So I've seen something similar online, but I really like it when I can feel the chiffon. The dupatta is like really soft, and this is like really, again, very well stitched. It's got a very good finishing. It's not like, you know, even the piping and everything is like got good finishing. It doesn't look like it's a shabby job. I liked this one for 800, the whole suit. Guys, I'm someone who's like extremely choosy, but I'm giving you glimpses of whatever I can see and then giving you details of the stuff that I'm liking on the street. So this is more or less the linking road. I'm going to like, you know, walk you down all these shops so you could like have a quick look at all of them. They're quoting all these designs for 150, but they ultimately give it for 100. So the road is extending from there, Khodal, where we started. You can see all the shops are like lit and there are people almost at like every shop. So the scene is very much happening, I believe. Majorly the road is about footwear. So when you say like linking road chappals, this is what you actually mean. You find like almost the same designs everywhere. Just that you sometimes have your favorites. So you always go to this one shop when you want to have, oh, I really like this color. ये कितने का है भैया? ये my favorite colors. The finishing is like really nice and it's good for like casual wear just for 150 rupees. And even like this basic chappal, which is like a must-have, it's called like a Made in India badge, very well stitched. It's for 150 again. So I really liked these two. Walk away from the Khodal lane, you will see like all these shops. Here, High on Heels, Candor. The video is about street shopping, so I'm not going to include these shops right now. Maybe some other vlog I'll do that. But now we are going towards like KFC, which is again got a lane full of hawkers and street shopping stuff. So we'll check that out. So I checked these out at West Side. It cost me 350 bucks. I bought it. I'm getting it for 50 bucks here. I'm like a deadly fan of hoops. This is the kind of a design that I've seen for the first time. And it's totally worth 50 bucks. You know what, I feel ideally investing the small amount for getting stuff that you probably don't use every day but you do need it for creating different looks, maybe for shoots and stuff. I really like this. And all these with the pearls. Even this one looks like a bubble gum, giving you a very doll-like look. Now this again, these are the sets of Kundan and a lot of mirror work designs. You will probably pick this up online for 500, 600 or maybe 350 rupees, but here it's just for 50 rupees. Like any set. This is totally worth it. And this one too. I believe I can identify from ye wala dikhao. I can identify some of them from Ajio that I was just going to pick. 350. Okay, this is more like denim. So I ended up picking up these. I think I'll make a haul for these rings, how I'm going to wear it and like it. I found this like really cute. It's very soft and really nice. I mean, I really like Marvel. Anything with Marvel, I love it. It's just for 200 bucks. Guess what? I've got the same top from Forever 21. It's the same length, the same color, the same neck. ये कितने का है? ये? It's for 350. I think I bought it around 450, 500 at that time. But it's really cool. I have no say about the cosmetics that are sold on the road, but there are people shopping. And they have Kylie Cosmetics, they have Bobbi Brown, MAC and premium brands, but I don't know how they are.
हमारे शॉप में जिसको लेना है ना, हमारी ये एक्सक्लूसिव है, सामने दिखाओ ना मैम। ये ना शॉप है और यहाँ पे 100 में कुछ भी लो सेल में मिल रहा है। सेल में आ जाओ। ये वाला शॉप है। And I found this denim skirt which is like so well stitched. It's the perfect denim color, a very nice casual look, and I'm like really surprised. Usually this is kind of a skirt that I will hunt down Mango Store or like Forever 21 for, but I'll never find it, and I found it here.
and it's a pleasant surprise. You know, street shopping, I believe right now, whatever I'm experiencing, I feel that there are some of the things that you will probably never ever get in any of the stores, like off the rack. So, for example, this one, it's like a charcoal grey straight fit skirt. And I really found this so nice. Like, I don't think I'll find this in India anywhere like that often unless it's a part of some exclusive collection. So when you come street shopping, these are the kind of things that you can get.
Whoa, this dress looks really good for 100 rupees because you see the buttons and the cut and the style, it's good satin. This is something that you will not get very often. This material is something that I really like. I find it really comfortable and these designs are kind of unique.
I love it. It is like such a casual one. But I'm a fan of animal print. So I really like this one and also this one. So a very stretchy material, gonna give a very nice fit. I love this pattern. I think it needs to be like worn with a bralette. The look is of jute, the feel is sort of like jute and it's got these pockets. This looks so tribal. You know, I found this dress like ultra cute because it's got this very different kind of a cut. So cute, right? For the price. So casual, bohemian, Zara dress. And I love the bell here. For this money, I really did not know you get stuff like this. Cool, and how cute this is going to look with like gladiators or like even sneakers.
I think it's getting more crowded as the evening is setting in. People are shopping for cosmetics, clothes to wear at home, and some fancy stuff like accessories like these belts.
So guys, it is almost like 7:30 and look at this. It's like lit. Thank you. It's like lit. So, उनको भी लो vlog में.
Hi, how are you? Big fan, big fan.
Whatever I felt was nice on the street. I think I showed it in detail. But otherwise, I'm telling you guys, the spirits are up. Be it the customers or the shopkeepers, they all are like on a roll. So I had fun. Hope you guys had fun too. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Share the video and make people aware we're back. Thank you so much. Keep watching Tanvi K vlogs and remember, I love you all. Mwah!